The Ministry of Home Affairs has notified Citizenship Amendment Act. The rules have also been notified now by the click of the button, as the portal has also been launched by the Ministry of Home Affairs. You can become a citizen of India. People who are going to get benefit are refugees from Afghanistan, from Pakistan and Bangladesh. The communities which are going to benefit are Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsis and Christians. An online portal has been launched. The Ministry of Home Affairs has already clarified that as soon as you upload all the required documents and the documents are scrutinized ASAP, that is as soon as possible, you would be getting a digital certificate which certifies that you are a citizen of India by the click of a button, and you need to pay 50 rupees to get yourself registered. The online portal is a very friendly portal. It specifies that what all documents you need, people who can apply. We can also explain it to you. A person of an Indian origin can apply, or a person who has married to an Indian citizen can also apply. A minor child of an Indian citizen can apply. A person whose parents are Indian citizens, or a person who or either of the parents were citizen of independent India, that is again Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. So these are people who can apply and avail the benefit of the newly formed law. The documents are also required, certain documents, because you need to certify that you were staying in these areas, in these countries, and you were persecuted, and that is why you took refuge in this country. So you need to verify, you need to substantiate that claim also. For that you need certain documents. As per the notification, you need a copy of a passport issued by Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Pakistan government, or a birth certificate. And if you don't have both, then you can also submit an educational certificate from a school, college or a board, or in any form of an identity document which has been certified by their government. So you need to upload all these documents. And the cut-off date has also been mentioned in this notification, that people who came before 31st December 2014 can avail the benefit of this CAA law which has been notified. The applicant also needs to specify that what all documents were there with him when he entered India. That means a copy of a visa and an immigration stamp on arrival. If you don't have that, then a registration certificate or a residential permit issued by FRRO, a slip issued by the census enumerators in India during surveys, government issued license, certificate or a permit of India, ration card, or also you would also be needing a character certificate certifying that you are a Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Parsi, Christian. So you need to need a character certificate also. And also under the 8th schedule there are 22 languages which are mentioned. You should also be aware of these languages as per the notification of India. Once you submit the application, it is going to be verified at the district level and then by the empowered committee, and after it is done you would be asked to come there, because whenever a person would be given a digital certificate, he needs to appear before the district authorities physically. If he does not appear physically, then the matter would be referred to the empowered committee, and if you don't appear before the empowered committee, then the empowered committee would also have the right to cancel your application. So you need to be really careful. The certificate would be issued to you in a digital form. You need to also submit 50 rupees to get this digital certificate. The people who have been excluded from CAA includes areas where 6th schedule has been implemented, which means Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura. If I have to specify, especially Karbi Anglong, also Dila, Hisao, Bodoland Territorial Council in Assam, and Garo Hills in Meghalaya, and tribal areas in Tripura. These are the areas where 6th schedule has been implemented. Also areas where you need inner line permit to visit those areas, which means Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland and Manipur also have been excluded. So even if you get the citizenship under CAA, you won't be able to settle in these areas, because these are areas which have been specified under inner line permit. So the government is saying that the portal is very friendly. Soon they are also going to come out with a mobile app. You can just go visit and see what all documents are needed and what all steps that you need to take before applying for this citizenship. This has been a long awaited citizenship bill. In 2019 it was cleared. That time also lot many protests were happening. Right now also political parties have stated that it is due to forthcoming Lok Sabha elections, Bharatiya Janata Party has brought this law. However, politics aside, this act, this rule, this law is going to benefit about 80,000 plus people, out of which 35,000 are only in Rajasthan. So this this law has been welcomed in these areas, especially people who have been persecuted in these areas and have been staying in India without any legal documents, but now they would be bona fide citizens of India. In New Delhi, this is Neeta Sharma reporting for NDTV.